Change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we see. Hello everyone, here Aditi Amit standing in front of you all for presenting my views on the topic postmortem of politics. Before starting my speech, I would like to give thanks to the entire team of Loves who gave me this opportunity. Politics. Politics is derived from the Greek word politica, which means affairs of the cities. Political system is the backbone and lifeline of our country. Every aspect and every activities of our country is affected by the health of this political system. In India, more of our political area is surrounded by the senior citizen. A very minimum number of youngsters involve themselves in the political field. Why? Today's political system is structured itself as a way which demotivates the youngsters, demotivates the people who involves in the voting system. Today's political system disrespects the talent, honesty and hard work of the outsider. Today's political system only appreciates falsehood over truth, obscurity over transparency. And also, youngsters are not feeling safe in the area of politics. That's why the eligible candidates not involving themselves in the political area. Only political parties and government is responsible for this imbalance of our country? No, we all are also responsible for this imbalance. Tell me, what we all are doing? We just simply going blindly in the direction of political parties. Money is for ease and efficiency of the politics. But today, some use politics for making money of their own. According to me, we youngsters are just like water. We can acquire the shape we want to. And we have to. Let's unite together and make healing and healthy politics by removing corruption from politics, by spreading more and more knowledge about proper procedures of politics, proper procedures of voting system. Then only people can vote according to their mind rather than the minds of political parties. Now, I am going to conclude my speech with a short poem. Somewhere there is a place where freedom means we are free. Somewhere there is a life free from hypocrisy. Somewhere there is a child that has not been destroyed. Somewhere there is a tactic that has not been deployed. We have to find the way, we have to find the strength of heart to try our best to find out why our lives all fall apart. Somewhere beyond our wisdom, somewhere beyond our ken, there must be a solution which means unto an end. Thank you.